Now, the turning point happened in 2014 when I was echoing what was going through. I was a little frustrated because I was like, kind of seems like I should be making more money, and this is kind of dumb. Feels like I'm not charging enough. And I'm not going to lie, guys, I just did not have the confidence to charge more money. I just didn't have that confidence. I didn't believe in myself. I didn't believe in my own time. That's all it was. And so I have a mentor, my sister actually, was a photographer at the time. She had a photography company, and she was selling an 8x10 for $200. $200 for an 8x10. And the people that were buying those from her, they were overjoyed to pay $200 for an 8x10. It was trivial money, okay? They didn't care. And I'm like, well, how the hell do you do that? And I can't do what I want to do. And she's like, cut the cord, dude. Double your prices and get on with it. I mean, she says, aren't you worth it? And I said, well, hell yeah, I'm worth it. She says, well, do it. Okay, so 2014, here it is. I'm over here freaking out. And I'll tell you something else I did at the same time. I ripped the Band-Aid off and I doubled my prices. I went from, I think like 125 and more than doubled it actually. I went to 375 and I held that price for a long time. And I thought, oh my gosh, once people start hearing that, I'm going to lose business. I'm just going to evaporate. Things are going to go away. No. It's like I didn't even do anything. It didn't change a thing. I was still getting the same amount of orders. You know, the people that weren't willing to pay that, they faded away, but that was fine. I didn't have a problem with it. But, you know, the blessing about that is the people that didn't follow through or decided they declined my price, I was still making the same kind of money and I was working less. Oh, God, that felt so good. So that was a big turning point for me, was just beginning to believe in myself and that my time is freaking valuable. Dadgummit, it's just doggone valuable. Because if I'm out here, I'm not in my house hanging out with my wife and hanging out with my last daughter who's still here before she moves out. So that opportunity cost was like, yeah, dadgummit, I am worth that. And now I'm charging double that, okay? Because my time is worth it, and yeah. Now, at the same time I did that, now here's a little bonus piece in this video. At the same time I did that, I started giving everything away for free. What do I mean by that? I started teaching people. This is when, back in the day when live video was just beginning, like 2014, I think it was when, I forget what online platform it was, but it doesn't matter. Live video was just becoming a thing. So I would shoot a live video, showing people how to do specific skills to make these custom trucks. And then those videos would delete after 24 hours. And so that kind of got my feet wet, because like most of you watching this, you're thinking, you give away all your knowledge for free. Well, aren't people going to be your competition? Yeah. But here's the thing. People that will watch a how-to video learning how to do it themselves are probably not going to buy from you anyway. So who cares, right? Who cares if they go make their own thing? They weren't going to buy from you anyway. So it doesn't matter, in my opinion. That's how I saw it. So today I have a YouTube channel where everything you see me do in this building, I give away for free. And that was a game changer too, because people watch those videos and they're like, I don't want to do that. I will pay you $500. I will pay you $600 to do that. And that's what's going to happen to you. I mean, if you've watched YouTube and you've learned how to repair your dishwasher, fix your car, change filters on an air conditioner, whatever it is you learned to do, there are some jobs you're looking at those and you're like, no, I don't care what the mechanic charges. I'm not doing that. People are going to watch your videos, they're going to watch your how-to stuff, and they're going to say the same thing. There's no way I'm going to learn how to crochet that. Well, whoever you are, I'm paying you to do it. So those were two big milestones for me. One, doubling my prices. Two, giving all my information away for free. If you have questions, you know what to do. Leave them right down below. I'll catch you in the next video.